Okay, this video is how to replace the shocks in your Whirlpool Kenmore Maytag top load. First, you're going to start out by unplugging the machine. Turn the water off. In here. You're going to go to the back of the machine. You're going to see a little connector here like this. It's going to be one on each side. You're going to remove those screws. Take your 1/4 inch nut driver or drill with 1/4 inch and remove the screws one at a time. Move the screws on both of those connectors, then grab it, pull it forward and up. The top is going to come off. After you got it up and back out of the way, be careful when you're leaning it back. Either take this or hold on to it, and we'll try to open on you. You're going to see where the shocks go. That's the top, the bottom. Let's get that in focus. There's down a little connector piece down there. So all I'm going to do is grab this bar here, and lift up, and turn, and remove that piece. I'll be ready to cut out. These are going to get replaced too, so they just pop out. Bang. Clean these up if there's any rust. You're going to do that to all four. I like to do one at a time so there's not too much weight. I'm trying to get the tub back up. Now, once you got it out of that hole, it's connected right down in there. You can see where the piece is connected right here. You just push down on that and it comes out just like that. This is the piece that we pushed on. It's just up in the hole. Just give it a little push. Comes out, and we're going to put them in the same way we took them out. Right, we have our new shock here. I'm going to install that before we move on to the next one. And that was work it in here. Pop it up into place. And we're going to lift it through the hole. The new shock in, we're going to clean this up. Put the new connector piece in. This is right here. Okay. I'm going to set this, get it ready. The shock's going to come up through here. And we're going to turn it and line it up through there. So you can see there's like a little T in this thing. It doesn't matter which way it goes. As long as you turn it, that way it can't come back out. What it will look like when you got it in correctly. And notice this lip here. When you're putting a new one on, make sure it slides in. Turns. Comes back down, locks in. That should be all lined up. So it's nice and straight. Alright, after you got all four back in place, you're then gonna bring and fold this guy back down and screw the screws on the connectors in the back. We're now gonna close the lid. Make sure these are back on. You see mine fell out over here, so I'm gonna need to pick that up, work it back in. We're gonna tighten those down. And when we close this lid, it's gonna come down. It's gonna be up here, so we're gonna bring it forward and then slide it back on over these little clips. You'll see there's little hooks, so it's gonna come forward and slide in. If you try to go straight down, you're gonna hit these barriers and you're gonna mess it up. So it's gonna go in, slide back. And that's how you put the lid down. I'll give you a quick look, see if we can do it one-handed. See what I'm talking about? Line that up. Let's see, it's not going to hit. So this whole piece has to come out, then down, and then back. Forward quite a bit. So we pulled it forward, then we're gonna push it back, and that's gonna snap it into place. And we're gonna put these tightening screws back down. You can do that on both sides. Plug it back in, and wand it back on. Come over, put it into rinse, drain, and spin. And give it a quick test. And make sure it doesn't overflow with water. Make sure it doesn't leak.